that someday, oh, I'll be there. I know that someday I'll be with him. Where there's no sorrow, no pain, no sickness, but happiness eternally. One of these days I'll be with him, to be with the one who died for me. Oh, praise the Lord who has saved me, and now I'm free from the burning hell. I was not worthy then, for I was a sinner. My destiny was the burning hell, but Jesus came to me, and He has saved me, and now I'm free from the burning hell. Hindi nagkayait inulugi Kristo kahit pangaya at impyerno. Uwi malik Jesus at nabuluto. Anong pato idamano padat mantu anohan naldo